In this video, I'm going to show you how to use vidIQ with Claude AI. So if you want to connect vidIQ's tools and insights directly to Claude for content research and analysis, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to set it up. First, open your web browser and go to the vidIQ website. First, sign in your account. Once you're signed into your account, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Account Settings. Inside the Settings page, locate the MCP section. Here, you'll find the option to generate a new key. Click Generate New Key, enter a description for the key, and then click Generate. Once the key has been created, copy the MCP server URL that vidIQ provides. You'll need this when connecting vidIQ to Claude. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to Claude AI. After logging in, locate the Customize section and open Connectors. Click Add Connector and then choose Add Custom Connector. Enter a name for the connector and paste the MCP URL you copied from vidIQ into the connector field. After that, click Add and then select Connect. Claude will redirect you to a vidIQ authorization page. Simply click Authorize to grant access and complete the connection process. Once the connection is active, return to Claude and start a new chat. Under the prompt box, click the plus icon and select Connectors. Make sure the vidIQ connector is enabled. You can now access available vidIQ tools and features directly from Claude. For example, you might use content gap analysis, keyword research, or competitor insights to improve your content strategy. Simply select the feature you want to use, enter your prompt, and let Claude generate recommendations based on the connected vidIQ data. This can help you discover new video ideas, identify trending topics, and find opportunities to grow your channel faster. And that's how you can use vidIQ with Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and productivity guides.